Legion Y510 and Y730 laptops were a couple of my favorites for mainstream gaming. The Legion Y7000P is an offshoot of those two with a bit more gaming flair to the design and, oddly enough, better components than what you can currently get in the higher-end Y730, currently only available in the US through Lenovo's retail partners. The Y7000P sells for around $1,000 depending on the configuration. The version reviewed here, available from Costco, combines a mid-range NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 and a hexa-core Intel Core i7 processor for $1,100 and includes Call of Duty: Black Ops 4 until the end of April. That converts to approximately £855 or $1,550 for reference. Lenovo Legion Y7000P 1060 price as reviewed $1,099 display size / resolution 15.6 inch 1,920 x 1,080 display CPU 2.2 GHz Intel Core i7-8750H memory 16GB DDR4 SDRAM 2666 MHz graphics 6GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 storage 1TB 7,200 RPM HDD plus 256GB PCIe SSD networking 802.11 AC wireless, Bluetooth 4.2 operating system Windows 10 Home, 64-bit. Black and red out, black and gray and entry-level gaming laptops seem to be stuck with the same designs over the past couple years, black with red accents and a red backlight for the keyboard along with the WASD keys outlined in red. That started to change late last year, which is when Lenovo originally announced its new Legions. The Y530/Y730 looked like a clean black ThinkPad workstation with subtle Legion branding. The Y7000P is a little more aggressive with flared cooling vents and an angular, iron gray metal lid with a big glowing Y symbol. It's not over the top, but it's also not your average thin and light laptop, especially not at 5 pounds, 2.3 kilograms. The Y7000P's ports and power input are on back between those two vents. It's a good setup for controlling cable clutter, particularly if it's going to regularly be at a desk connected to an external display, mouse, and keyboard. However, it can also be a pain until you remember which port is which. There are single USB-A ports on each side and a headphone jack on the left in addition to what's in the rear, but no SD card slot. That's a shame given the extra graphics horsepower under its hood.